Hello everyone, welcome to Cellopedia. This is Maxim. Today we will work on the etude number 1 by Sebastian Lee from his opus number 70. I will play it for you in a slow tempo, then you'll get a chance to play with my accompaniment, then I'll play for you in a faster tempo, and finally you'll try to follow me in that tempo. And in the second part of this video, you'll get a cello lesson. I will share with you a few tips and tricks how to master this etude. If you would like to check out a copy of this music with my fingerings, there is a link for free download in the description to this video. The top part in slow tempo, triplet eighth note, AD. Now let's try playing it together. You will hear 3 clicks and we will play. And after you will spend some time practicing, you will be able to play it faster. This is the way to play the top part in tempo quarter note 48. And of course, we should try playing it together. The same tempo, quarter note 48, I will play the second part with you. Let's now work together on this etude a bit. You noticed that there are triplet notes. Yes, each quarter note is divided by 3, and otherwise you will have problem playing the last quarter note of each of the first 4 measures. That quarter note also has 3 triplet notes. You can see in the accompaniment teacher's part, when you just play the quarter note, your teacher would play 3 triplet notes. When you start working on it, I would suggest playing just 1 note per bow. There are so many notes and string crossings to figure out. You will be better off just simplifying your bowings. Here how I would play it. I will show you just first 2 measures. Besides paying attention to the left hand, you'll have to figure out the angle of the bow. When you start on a G string, that would be one angle, and then when you move to the next string and then ultimately to the A string, you will have to adjust your bow angle. You start with the bow turned this way, towards yourself, towards your right side, and then slowly you will be turning the bow slightly away from yourself. If you forget about this, your bow will start sliding too much up and down on the string, and your sound quality will not be as good as you would like it to be. When you'll try playing with the original bowings, you'll have to deal with bow distribution. That means if you don't pay attention to that, you will spend the bow playing first 6 notes, and then you will notice that you'll start getting stuck in the upper part of the bow. It might happen this way. And you see, I have no bow to continue playing. The solution here is that when you play up bow stroke, you will have to use faster bow speed. So you will get back to the starting point, closer to the frog. Be careful with that. If you have the same energy when you play up bow. In other words, if you press as hard on the string as compared when you play down bow, that up bow note will sound too loud, like this. To avoid that, you will have to learn playing up bow with much lighter bow stroke. You'll have to train yourself to give less energy to the string. So string will not vibrate that much and therefore will get a bit softer sound. Those were just few tips to work on this etude. Don't forget to download the copy. Extra fingerings and bowings always help. Keep playing cello and see you on Cellopedia soon.